Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today's vlog is gonna be ala how we start the week. So last Friday we went for Hakim's wellness checkup. So dia dapat 4 shots, vaccine shots. Lepas tu on Sunday we just spent the day together because Yusuf went for hiking. So we spent the whole day together, and then I was cleaning the house a little bit. Lepas tu on Monday, I went for a coffee with my friend Cecilia by the beach. So Hakim and her daughter played together. Seronok lah. It was a beautiful day by the beach. So kita orang just hang out, chit chat, minum kopi, main dekat pantai, mengejar buih-buih dekat tepi pantai dengan Zoe. So hari ni adalah hari mengemas juga lebih kurang. So I have to do the dishes and the laundry. Benda yang paling boring nak kena buat, tapi kena buat. So lepas tu I'm gonna edit this video, this vlog, and then I'm gonna prep for dinner. Lepas tu apa ya? So usually how we start the day or how we start the week, pagi-pagi selalu kami makan breakfast. Dan kita ada music iringan lah. Iringan music dari saudara Abdul Hakim. Iringan music dari saudara Abdul Hakim. Masya Allah, pandainya. Pandai. Main lagu apa ni? What song is this, Mr. Abdul Hakim? What song are you playing? Yummy? You helping me or you're eating? Is it yummy breakfast? Yum 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 yum. Just a simple omelette with spinach, pepper, eggs go in. Okay, breakfast. Omelette with avocados and toast. And of course, tapatio. So, I like to start my day with healthy breakfast. Do you agree? What ni? Hakim, awak tolong mama ya? Awak tolong mama kemas ke ni? Awak tolong mama ya? Thank you. I appreciate it. Terima kasih sebab tolong mama. Hai. Hey. What? Yak Hakim, no. Don't step on that. Don't play with that. Yak. Tolong mama. Tolong. Yeah. Close. Tutup ni. Hey, what's that? What? Close. Yes. Tutup ni. Close. Want to start? Tekan. Okay. Ni kita basuh ni pula. Baju dada ni.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind.
Okay, ni nak recycle. Budi, what happened to your face? What happened to your face? What is this? Pen ya? Nampak conteng muka awak ya? So, actually I just received a few more items from Amazon. Ni adalah sambungan daripada Amazon unboxing dalam last week punya vlog. So, dia orang baru send the rest of the items sebab saya order banyak-banyak dan dia orang send separately. So, jom kita tengok apa saya beli. Kejap nak ambil. Oh, tada. So sebenarnya saya beli sikat rambut untuk Hakim. Dia ada apa? Comb and then hairbrush. Lembut tau ni. Bulu kambing katanya. Closet organizer. Tengok ni. Ada dua colour, hitam untuk Yusof dan putih. So ni kita boleh lah isi macam socks kan. Ya Allah, ni $5 je. So boleh letak macam socks, underwear, barang-barang kecil-kecil. Hijab pun boleh, tudung kan, gulung-gulung. Kita gulung-gulung tudung boleh letak dalam ni juga. Socks. So dia ada ada 3. Dalam satu pack tu ada 3. Ni yang kecil. Lepas tu ni ada besar punya. Ni lebar punya. So bolehlah storage organizer. Apa? Closet organizer. Ni nak letak, boleh letak macam-macam. Ikut suka hati macam mana susun. Ni glasses. Oh, siap ada apa? Cleaning cloth lagi. So first one is tada, yang hitam. Kita try. Ooh, how do I look? Macam okey tak? Besar sangat tak? Bad. Tadi jatuh. And then okay, lagi satu ialah leopard print design. Hello. Ini adalah leopard punya design. Yeah, Hakim. Sini tengok. Sini lah. Oh, iya. Nak bagi mama yang tu? Nak try ni pula. So saya tak confident nak pakai yang leopard print ni. Oh, not bad. Actually it's not bad. Hakim okey tak? Cantik tak? Okey tak? Hakim pakai hitam ni. Nak pakai hitam. Oh, yang ni dia punya apa? Glasses dia tu hitam. Yang ni dia brownish sikit. Hey. No? Okay, mau pakai dua-dua. Macam. Korang suka yang mana? Yang brown ni? Brown ni macam tak tahu lah suka ke tak. I prefer the black one over this brownish. What you guys think? So kita nak lunch, lepas tu style juga sunglasses ni. 2 for $11. Okay lah. Okay you guys, that's it for now. See you again in the next vlogs. Bye. Hari ni kami nak bawa Hakim pergi wellness check-up. Tengok dia, kesian dia kena bangun. So kami nak pergi klinik. Appointment Hakim pukul 9. Sekarang baru pukul 8. So kita nak hantar Safia pergi sekolah, and then kita terus pergi klinik. Morning. Good morning everyone. Buhok? Apa berak? Okay, kita dapat kopi sedap. Pagi ni Hubster buat kita kopi. Hakim nak kopi? Nak? He's smiling at you. He's talking to you. You want to bring your car to the clinic? Want to bring your car? What's so funny? You're still listening to that guy?
Are you recording me?
It's for what kecap. Stalking you. Okay, sampai dah kat klinik. No. Hai, kami kat klinik. Tengah tunggu doktor. Budi? Hakim. My friend Cecilia. We're having some mom moment.
Yeah. My mom is a baby.
By the waterfront.
Is that good, Hakim?
Hakim. Hey, this is my friend Cecilia, okay? You like it, okay? That's your new friend, so she's so independent. She's supposed to look at her. She's so cute. He's been on a ferry before. Bubbles! Okay, look at this! What? Bubbles!